how to download your information you have shared in Instagram on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You will go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you will go down and open your profile. Then you will go up and click on this three line. Then you will go to your activity. Then you will go to download, the last option, download your information. Then you will add your email, then request, then you will enter your password, and when you finish you will click next, and then it will work with you and your information will download, so you will not lose your information on this account Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next